not do
I'm
that
not
again.
hurt. But I was very lucky, young man. You...
You almost killed me.
Whoa.
What's going on? Please, be more careful. Be more careful, I say.
Kill him! Stop this man! I found him! He's here! Give up! You've nowhere to run! Stop running! Don't let him get away! After him! There! Don't let him get away! Filthy swine!
Use free running to escape from a fight when exposed. Sprint to lose your enemies, and jump through merchant stands to avoid the crowd.
I need help! Please, anyone!
على رسلك.
Infidel! You will die here! Get away from me!
Thank you, my boy. I only wish my sons were half as brave as you. I'll see to it that we hear this tale and know what it is to be a true hero.
This is an ill omen.
You'll find everything here, my friend. There's nothing I do not have. Tired of never finding anything useful at the other merchant stalls? That won't happen here.
Yes, you! Come! See what I've to offer! See anything you like? I've got what you need. I'm sure of it. Take a look. See if I'm not right.
You'll find everything here, my friend. There's nothing I do not have.
Come, people. Come see what I've to offer.
No? There's more.
Did you not bring me here?
Wares in all the land. You seem to know exactly what you want.
Come on, come on! I've much to sell!
See what I've to offer.
Come, people! Come see what I have to offer! Come on, come on!
What is
I've
it?
much to sell! Could I interest you in some of my wares? I have exactly what you need. For today only. I've decided to reduce taxes on everything.
My merchandise is without fear.
Finest wares in all the land. Could I interest you in some of my wares?
But I say, this is an order.
I have exactly what you
Die
need.
in service to God, fighting for what we believe in. There is no greater glory than this.
Come on, come on! I've much to sell.
Be wary,
Such a
friend.
strange man.
The shaitan is everywhere.
Today only.
What
My good people, reduce prices on everywhere.
Help us
Come,
go
I've anything anyone could possibly need.
Strong like Al-Hadid.
Cannot find better item anywhere else. I swear it.
I've anything anyone could possibly need.
Finest wares in all the land. Want a bargain? I'm your man. Come.
Come see what I've to offer.
So comes the English king and his infidel army. They leave horrors in their wake.
My good people,
Hadid
your
rides
service
to
come to
meet
an
him,
end.
that these
I've anything
barbarous
anyone
acts
could
might
possibly
be
need.
avenged. Pray that God, glorious and exalted is he, finds favor with us, that he may grant us victory. Praise be Salah Hadid! He has found the strength to stand in defense of our great civilization. Make no mistake, it is our very
You follow us. false god.
Stop this, please! You're hurting me!
No reason to stand here. Leave.
Please!
Impudence! You cannot run forever!
No! Over here! Kill him!
God save us, me! You will not win! May God have mercy on your soul!
You won't get away with that, you murderer!
Thank you, my boy. I only wish my sons were half as brave as you. I'll see to it that they hear this tale and know what it is to be a true hero.
Dark days indeed.
What's this? For today only. I've decided to renew.
This is an ill omen.
Who would do such an awful thing?
My good people, your come to an end. Yes, come. Let me show you everything I have. Come see what I have to offer. Yes, come. Let me show you everything I have. Could I interest you in some of my wares?
Make room!
Come on. I've got to sell. Could I interest you in this? Come, people. Come see what I have to offer.
Do you understand?
Yes. I am to deliver the letter to your merchant friend.
And you know who to see?
The same man as always.
Do not think to betray my presence in this city. We have many eyes, many ears.
And many arms, yes. Good for silencing those who say too much. I know this well. You have my word.
Good. Then be quick about it. Time is short.
You seem to know exactly what you want. I like that in a customer. Could I interest you in this move? No? Well, there's more. Much more. My merchandise is without fear.
Are you quite done?
Anything you like? Not find better items anywhere else. I swear it.
Curse the Christian king and his army of infidels! They go against the will of God and must be made to pay! Everywhere they ride, they leave only suffering.
Do I look like a merchant?
Be more
No,
careful!
it's a throwaway.
A crusade for what? Ignorance,
Touch your eye?
violence, madness!
To the right
We
place.
must
There's no
resist!
better merchant
We
than
must
I.
fight them in any way we can! I stand before you to deliver a warning. Should Richard take
What do you think
Joppa,
you're doing?
there will be no stopping him. He will march on Jerusalem next. We must end this before it has a
Did you not
chance to
see me here?
begin. That city is ours, has always been ours. And it is our duty to defend it until death. The Crusaders must be destroyed!
Could I interest you in this maybe? No? Well, there's more. Much more.
Come, people. Come see what I have to offer.
You there! Yes, you! Come! Come! See what I've to offer!
You need something?
You like? You there!
You seem to know exactly what you want. I like that in a customer. You are wise, which is why you come to me.
Come one, come all. I've much to sell. My good people, your search has come to an end. I've anything anyone could possibly need.
Perfectly priced. You won't find battle prices anywhere.
What? Where do you go?
There's more. Much more.
You dirty thief! How dare you! Guards, help me! For today only, I've decided to reduce prices on everything.
Which is why you
Now,
come to me.
He's going to hit someone. What is it?
come people. Come see what I have to offer. Yes, come. Let me show you everything I have.
You seem to know exactly what you want. I like that in a customer.
Could I interest you in some of my wares?
Come see what I have to offer. Everything true. Everything perfectly priced.
Welcome. I have everything you'll ever need. Leave now and I'll let you live.
You are wise, which is why you come to me.
Fires of war consume the land, and thousands of lives are lost in its defense. It is a tragedy, but I say this is an honor to die in service to God, fighting for what we believe in. There is no greater glory than this.
I have exactly what you need. That must have hurt.
You can apologize for that.
Could I interest you in this meal? No? Well, there's more. Much more.
You've something to say?
Come, people. Come see what I brought.
Why did you do that?
You are wise, which is why you come to me. I have many things, too many things. Come, people. Come see what I brought. Everything's perfectly right. I have many things. Come, people. Come see what I have to offer. You won't believe your eyes.
For today only, I've decided to reduce prices on everything. Come.
Like that in a custom. Come, people. Come see what I have to offer. You won't believe your eyes.
My good people, your search has come to an end. I've anything anyone could possibly need.
I am at your service.
Come one, come all. I've much to sell. My good people, your search has come to an end.
Die, thief!
I've anything anyone could possibly need.
Dirty thief! I'll have your hand for that!
Please, someone do something.
You want something? You'll find
Please.
I'll have your head!
I do not have.
Before he kills again.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll find a way to repay this kindness, I swear it.
Oh dear, how could this have happened?
Magic. I have many things, too many things.
Come on, come on! Come, people. I've much to sell. You won't find better prices anywhere.
Finest wares in all the land. See anything you like?
Come, people. Come see what I've to offer.
You there?
Yes, come. Let me show you everything I have.
You seem to know exactly what you want.
Why would anyone do that?
Why? This is why you've come to me.
What's wrong with him?
Come, have a look.
What is he doing?
You won't be disappointed.
Come on! I've much to sell.
Something caught your eye?
For today only. I've decided to reduce prices.
You ever see someone do that before? I haven't.
Why would anyone want to do that?
How bizarre.
Why are they doing that?
How odd.
Why would anyone do that?
Now, why is he doing that?
Find it.
Could I interest you in some of my wares?
Please be more careful.
Ran right into something.
I stand before you to deliver a warning. Should Richard take Joppa, there will be no stopping him.
You, sir.
He
You
will
look
march
like you
on
need something.
Jerusalem
You'll find
next.
it here.
We must
sure.
end this before it has a chance to begin.
I should kill you for
That
that.
city is ours, has always been ours. And it is our duty to defend it until death. The Crusaders must be destroyed! Praise be Salah ad-Din! He has found the strength to stand in defense of our great civilization. Make no mistake, it is our very existence we are fighting for. The infidel king would see us all wiped from the world. We must
You need
resist.
something?
We must push back. South comes the English king and his infidel army. They leave horrors in their wake.
Something caught your eye?
Has he lost his mind?
Come see what I have to offer. You won't believe your eyes.
You'll find everything.
Could I interest you in this maybe? No? Well, there's more. Much more.
Dirty thief! I'll have your hand for that! Hey!
Help
You
me!
look familiar.
Somebody help me!
Dirty thief! I'll have your hand for that!
Why are you doing this? What have I done? Let go of me! I've done nothing wrong!
You've something to say?
I'll have your hand for that!
Come see what I have to offer. Everything's new. Everything perfectly priced.
Before you to deliver a warning. Should Richard take Joppa, there will be no stopping him. He will march on Jerusalem next. We must end this before it has a chance
You
to
value
begin.
your life. You won't
That
do that.
city is ours, has always been ours. And it is our duty to defend it until death. The Crusaders must be
Yes, come.
destroyed.
Let me show you everything I have.
You'll not find better items anywhere else, I swear it.
Be wary, friends. The Shaitan is everywhere. Watching, waiting. He tempts us always. Be strong. Strong like God.
Thief! You are filth!
South comes the English king.
Did you see that, huh?
Thief! You are filth!
Dirty thief! I'll have your hand for that!
Altair, it is good to see you, and in one piece.
You as well, friend. I am sorry for your troubles. Think nothing of it.
A few of your brothers were here earlier, in fact. Oof, if you'd heard the things they said, I'm certain you'd have slain them where they stood.
It's quite all right.
Yes, you've never been one for the creed, have you?
Is that all?
I'm sorry. Sometimes I forget myself. What business brings you to the Mass?
A man named Tamir. Mualim takes issue with the work he does. I meant to end it. Now tell me where to find him.
Surely you remember how to track an enemy.
Of course. Learn where he will be and when. But that sort of work is best left for... I understand.
Go and search the city, determine what he's planning and where he works. Preparation makes the victor.
What can you tell me of him?
Tamir makes his living as a black market merchant, so the souk district should be your destination. I would suggest you seek out the following places. A small souk northeast of here, the madrasa to our east, and in the gardens north of this bureau. Focus on these places and he should become well known to you.
I assume you want me to return to you when this is done.
Yes. Come back to me. I'll give you Mualim's marker and you'll give us Tamir's life.
As you wish.
Remember, Altair, if you find yourself in trouble and the city turned against you, return to the bureau. I can shelter you from the storm. Be warned though, if your enemies are too close, my door will remain closed until you've lost them. Do you understand?
Yes. To bring the enemy inside would compromise the Brotherhood.
Very well. Off you go.
Dirty thief! I'll have your hand for that!